For checking a lower arm end play, set the dial gauge pointer to a lower arm ball joint and push the suspension arm ball joint to upper and lower side to 20 to 30 Newton and hold to 2 to 3 seconds. And check the dial gauge movement is appropriate as per the service manual. It is okay or not okay. The check as per the manual only. Based on the model wise, maybe different value may get. I need to set the magnet standing dial gauge like this and push the lower arm upper and lower side for checking the movement. First we tight the brake disc and fit the magnetic stand to the brake disc and fix the dial gauge to underside of the lower arm ball joint area and set the preload 2 or more and set the dial in 0 and then push the lower arm to upper side about 20 to 30 Newton and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. We already set the dial gauge and then press upper side. Check the movement of the dial, how many division move the dial, and then pull down 20 to 30 Newton and hold for 2 to 3 seconds and check the movement and calculate the value. Check with the service manual. It is within the specification. It is out of specification. We need to replace the lower arm with the new one.